this video, I will show you how to send money from USA to Ghana using TapTap Send. So first of all, open up your app and make sure that you are on a dollar account or a USA account. Then you need to click on the Home tab and then click on the country search bar, and then you can just type in Ghana. And once you do that, you will see this popping up in here, and then you will see the amount of dollars being converted to Ghana. And as you can see, I'm on a euro account because I'm from Europe. So if you are on dollar account, then it works the same. You just need to enter the amount that you want to transfer. So let's say 50 euro or dollar in that case. And then you can see the amount that is going to be converted. And there's also a way to get a free $5 discount at this moment. And that's actually pretty simple. What you need to do is you need to click on add promo code, and then you need to enter this code in here. And that code is JE00910. And if you click on enter, you will claim your $5 reward when you are making a transfer and sending more than $1. So after you do that, you will claim that reward automatically, and then you can just go and click on next. And after that, you can just select your recipient in this list in here. And if you don't have a recipient yet, then you can just go and click on add new recipient. And then you can just select a delivery method. And these are all local methods. So we have Telecel, Airtel Tigo, MTN, and bank account. I'm just going with bank account. So then you need to fill in the bank name, bank account number, and you need to make sure that you confirm that number. And then you can click on check details to see if everything is matching and if everything is all right. And if that's the case, you can just go ahead and proceed with your transfer. And then you need to click on confirm. And that is how you do this. So I hope this video was helpful. Please leave a like and consider subscribing. And then I'll see you in the next one.